Today I am going to read a story based on science fiction. The name of the story is Goodbye to the Moon. This story is written by Monica Hughes. I sat in the dark view room of the space station. I looked out at the earth. It was somewhat familiar to me. There was a small photograph of the blue planet in our drawing room. I, Kepler Masterman, was born on the moon 15 years ago. My mother had been dead 5 years ago. She had told me stories about the earth, that excitingly unknown place. My father is the governor of the moon. He was going on an expedition to the earth, and here was I, accompanying him on my first ever journey to the earth. I looked down at the earth. It seemed so close to me that I could touch it. We had to wait for another 15 minutes before our journey started. Feeling restless, I left the viewing room and glided down the long passage to the center of the space station. I could see my father there, surrounded by reporters. I came back to the view room, which was empty. I looked out into space. My moon, my home, appeared very small now. At home, the kids would be getting ready for the party. There has always been a party at sunrise. The sun rose only 12 or 13 times a year, so it was something special for us. The sunlight crept slowly across the surface of the moon until finally night is gone.